This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Wonderful 3/2/2 CBS Pool home has great floor plan featuring formal dining room, living room and family room. Neutral tile throughout entire home. Large eat-in kitchen has pass-through window to pool patio. Plenty of room for entertaining on the covered patio overlooking screened pool and fenced yard. Convenient Cabana Bath. Master bedroom suite has huge walk-in closet and master bath with dual sinks, Roman tub and separate shower. Freshly painted exterior and pool deck. AC and water heater 2015. Minutes away from tradition, 1 to 95, and Crosstown Pkwy. Start living the Florida lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.